Yeah, and who else is chilling is the Crypto Paradise community. The website has got a little bit of an overhaul, so make sure to come to cryptoparadise.net, check it out, see what we offer, see what we do, and see how you can benefit here on the main page. But the biggest addition I think is most important is for the surf holders. If you go to surf here, you hover and you click on dashboard, you can now see behind the hood of the surf token of what is going on a daily basis. Obviously, there is the 5% tax, and that tax goes to holders, it goes to burns, it goes to LPs, it goes to the DAO, it goes to getting the brand bigger of Crypto Paradise. But now you can see it. Here is the zero address, which is the burn address. You can see that there is over 2 million tokens already built up in there, which is 2.36% of the total supply has already been burnt off out of the total supply, out of the market forever. And this grows with every trade that happens. If you come down here to Paradise Perks, you can actually purchase Surf right off the website. This is Polsex's decentralized exchange to help people get onboarded easier. You can click on your rewards and you can collect your specific wallet if you want to see how you are benefiting directly. But you can look at the global as well. This is how many rewards have been giving out to all of the surf holders. Over 4.6 million, or like 4.6% of the total supply, has been recycled to holders and believers of the surf token. The burn statistics, we already talked about 2.37% of the burn already happened. This actually gives you a bigger piece of the pie. It boosts your holdings by 2.42%. That is what you like to see. The average burn rate is 195,000 surf per day. And in the last 24 hours, 381 surf has been burnt. Remember, the hack has been going on, so people do not want to do on-chain trading. We're not doing any on-chain burning. We're not doing any DeFi yield buying of surf either. That's why this is also lower. But pretty cool. You can come on here every single day, see how many surf were burned, and understand that that is being bought off the market, burned forever, which creates scarcity in supply, but also makes your pro rata share of the total supply larger simply by not even buying any more tokens, just by holding your surf. And then lastly, this is the coolest one, I think. Liquidity pool breakdown. You can see all of the surf liquidity pools in the liquidity web, but also it's nice to see the initial liquidity with surf and PLS was 4,000 bucks. It's up to $112,000. Surf with PLSX was 1,700 bucks. It's up to $36,000, and you can continue down the list and see that how the price of those assets going up, the price of surf going up, and us using DAO funds to buy surf and add to LPs has greatly grown these LPs over time. And you can start speculating that in the future, when PLS does a 10x, surf does a 10x, and we're buying and adding LP, what does this LP value look like? 500,000 just for one pool, a million, who knows? But that's what you want to see when you're in these DGEM plays. You want to see thick liquidity pools and liquidity pools that are driving values for the holder, and Surf checks off all those boxes. So expect to see kind of daily posts on these burn statistics, just to kind of give you guys updated on the daily surf burns and keep you guys speculating on what the future holds for surf as well.
No more 9 to 5.